All right, so I'm gonna making this update video because a lot has changed in the last 5 months that I've been with Honda. Um, yeah, as you guys can see, the lid's got a few more stuff on there. But yeah, here we go. So I still don't have a full set of half-inch sockets, which is okay because I really don't use those deep wells. I've been using these Capri Tool stubbies. They've come in handy. I still have my Milwaukee 3/8 shallow and deep wells. Hard Tools deep well half-inch impacts is what I've been using. And, miscellaneous stuff that I just use here and there. Let's see, first drawer, we got, Matco wrenches, or ratchets, I'm sorry. A breaker bar, extensions, my Icon torque wrench, the Pittsburgh torque wrench. Got my Tekton ratchet wrenches from 6 up to 24. We've got 2 Matco wrenches here. Then the others are SETI. The 17 and 19 SETI. The 17 ended up breaking in here, so I was like, you know what, whatever. I need these are the ones that I use the most. So I just ended up getting those off the truck. And I got these Capri Tools super thin wrenches. These come in handy when doing rear brakes on Honda Civics. So I like these a whole lot. Oh, my serpentine belt tool. Don't mind that pile right there. I just kind of threw that in there. But yeah, finally got a little organizer for these things here. Ended up picking up some Tekton mini pry bars. And the majority of stuff that I already had or had bought when I first started with Honda. My fourth drawer. So, my M12s, drill, rotary tool, 1/4 inch, 3/8 M12s. Then I've got a M18 quarter hex impact, a 3/8 M18, 1/2 inch mid torque M18, high torque M18. Then I had to pick up these Matco tool die grinders, straight and right angle. These are really nice. Of course, my 1/2 inch Onyx stubby, a couple of M18 batteries, M12s, discs for the die grinders. A little bit more organized. Caliper piston tools, O2 sensor socket set, zip ties, miscellaneous stuff here. Baby Thor, rubber mallet. So this last drawer is kind of like a mess on this side, but snacks. Gotta have some snacks. Oh, and a speaker, because the Saturdays I work by myself, we be jamming. But yep, that's pretty much it. Then I try to keep my workbench a little clean. As you can see, it is a smaller area only because I moved up to the smaller shop. So it's not bad. I try to get tools when I can, especially if it's stuff that I'm going to be using on the daily. I still have my hair chuck. Keep forgetting what these are called, but that comes in handy too when I'm doing fuel pumps to blow dirt and debris away from around the tank. Then I got fuel pump tools for Hondas. And that's a brake caliper hanger there. Sorry if I sound sluggish and whatnot. It's still early. I'm tired. Then, my chemicals and oils and stuff. So everybody's been asking me what this is. It's just motor oil in a little, container. So I use this when I do fuel pumps to oil up the O-rings and stuff, so I don't get oil everywhere and everything. But yeah, my M12, M18 chargers, oil filters. So yeah, this is where I'm at as far as tools go. Then this thing here too. Had to bring my step stool because short people problems. And this here I ended up picking up about a month ago, maybe, or 2 months ago. The service tray. This has come in handy when I've been doing the fuel pumps or brakes, because I can just roll it around with all my tools. And in here, got 8-inch slotted in Phillips, an Icon pick set, then an Honda EPS tool. Just small things here and there to make life a whole lot easier at work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I end up changing stuff again, then yeah, I'll be making another update video. But for the time being, this is it.